हाय, हॅलो, नमस्कार. बिग बॉस मराठी सीझन 6चे कंटेस्टंट राकेश बापट यांची जीवन कहाणी. रिअल नेम राकेश बापट. ऑदर नेम राकेश वशिष्ठ. His date of birth is 1 September 1978. He is born in Amravati, Maharashtra. He is currently 47 years old. Education MBA. Rakesh is a good actor and model also. His famous role is अभिराम जहागीरदार from नवरी मिळे हिटलरला on झी मराठी. His wife name is रिद्धी डोगरा. He divorced in 2019. Rakesh father name is Major Padmakar Bapat. His real life mother. Reality show Big Boss 15 and Big Boss OTT and Nach Baliye, and now he in Big Boss Marathi season 6. Hindi film तुम बिन, दिल विल प्यार व्यार, etc. मराठी फिल्म सिटीजन, वृंदावन, खुर्ची, सरसेनापती हंबीरराव. His real life sister name is Sheetal Bapat. He worked in web series 80-90 Pure So. His height is 1.78 meter and his hobbies is idol making and coloring it. माहिती आवडली असल्यास लाईक करा आणि अशाच नवनवीन माहितीसाठी आपल्या चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा.